Welcome to Standard Chartered India Money Insights, a podcast series that brings you topical insights and local perspectives on India's markets from the experts.
Hello everyone, welcome to the India Market Outlook podcast. We just released our outlook for September 2025 titled Looking Through Volatility, and I'm Vinay Joseph, the host for the podcast, to summarize our key takeaways. First, a quick performance recap. Indian equities have continued its underperformance to peers as higher than expected US trade tariffs and muted Q1 fiscal year 2026 earnings delivery has offset positive tailwinds from the rationalization of GST rates and also India's sovereign rating upgrade in August. Over the last month, the Nifty index is up around 2.2% over the last month, underperforming MSCI Asia ex Japan and MSCI World, the two key benchmark global indices. Now on bonds, the benchmark 10-year government bond yield is up around 8 bips to 6.5% over the last month, while the INR continued to touch new all-time highs against key cross-currency pairs, the USD, Euro and JPP. Now the key event for the month was the rationalization of the Goods and Services Tax or GST. In our view, this ahead of the festive season, coupled with the RBI's front-loaded policy rate cuts and liquidity-boosting measures, including the CRR cuts which have kicked in, is likely to support a revival in domestic demand and corporate earnings. Further, India's underperformance to global equities, both YTD and over the last 1 year, the bottoming of earnings as seen in the Q1 earnings delivery, and lower foreign investor positioning are additional tailwinds for equities. So on overall asset allocation, we continue to stay overweight equities and expect it to outperform traditional assets. Within equities, we maintain our diversified equity exposure with an opportunistic allocation to mid-cap equities and key sector overweights on consumer discretionary and financials, the two beneficiaries of the GST rationalization. On bonds, we continue to maintain a neutral holding and expect the yield curve to flatten in the near term, as most of the headwinds are priced in, with the likelihood of US Fed rate cuts coming in and benign inflationary pressures. Within bonds, we see an improved risk reward in medium maturity bonds and high quality corporate bonds. Finally, gold and multi-asset strategies continue to remain key diversifiers to help mitigate near-term volatility. That's all for this podcast. If you like this report, please ask for a copy, reach out to your relationship manager, or you can find it on our website www.sc.co.in or on SC Invest. If you like this podcast, please like and subscribe. Thank you.
Thank you for listening to Standard Chartered India Money Insights. Stay tuned for the latest updates and market trends by subscribing to our podcast. For more information, reach out to your Standard Chartered relationship manager or visit www.sc.com/in.